What's up, Dumelang? Hi, my name is Desmond Junior Springbok, and thank you again for choosing my channel and welcome back. Okay, cool. Let's get into the video. So today's video is a style vlog. As you can see, I'm back again with a style vlog. And I'm going to be doing two challenges in one. So, well, two challenges I'll call them. Let's call them challenges. One challenge is, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a jean episode. It's going to be a jean video. I'm going to be styling ka the jean. So denim. And the other one is that the whole video will be done in Spitori. Yes, for those who don't know, Spitori is an actual language. Spitori is a language that is formed by people who stay in Soshanguve, Mamelodi, Mabopane. You know, people in Pretoria have come up with a language that they use to speak to people and themselves that only we understand. But I want you guys to try to get into the insides of like Spitori and try to learn it because it's a cool culture. You know, it's the Mapiano culture. It's well, not really Mapiano culture, but like Spitori. You know, we always say we own the Mapiano culture. But anyway, so and also with this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. There are a few people on my Instagram who've been asking me to give them some of my clothes that don't fit me anymore, and I've decided that after this video, actually I'm going to be sending a few jeans to some of you guys who've asked me in my DMs. Because marakache ke mo Pitori and ke blast Pitori re feletsa mo so ke la mogela mo video nyaka ta vlog sa ka sa di bogadi. So ke tlo ke stala di bogadi today ke lo bantsa di outfit nyana tse mmalwa nyana bona ke tlo go fela nga video ke tlo fa di tips nyana about ho reka di jean we re byang as njita bona cause di jean a di tshwane for majita, especially for majita ba ba jimang, for majita ba ba sa jimmy. Ibile ke rata gore video it's going to be yo ba dese because jean to jean e bolela le basadi le bana, boys and girls, basadi le bana. And then I will not strictly for banna fela on something I like about it. Man, removal to seasoning way ke rata go itlhoya. Like, ke rata go tlhoya autumn le winter. Mara, sometimes no make a do a ke layer up. Na for now with this season, nje ke explorang ke like the shirts again. You see, can you get the oversized tees, the oversized shirt, you can try that swag so I can layer up on it so that you can mix the color, the color. And disclaimer, sorry, I have to say this. So this video, I'm going to be using what I have in my wardrobe. I haven't started shopping for my winter stock. There are a few things that I would have loved to have already in my wardrobe. Like I want to get leathers this winter, this autumn's winter. I want to get leathers. I want to get tracksuits. So don't only be jeans that I'll be wearing throughout winter. Leathers, tracksuits, maybe a coat or two, boots, obviously essentials. I want to get sneakers. And that's going to be the feel of my whole wardrobe this winter. But obviously when I do get them, I'll share with you. Right now, we go higher up quarantine, so I'm just sharing with you a few tips of what you can do with what you have in your wardrobe, you know. And it would be cool if from this video after watching it, your jean outfits, tag me on Instagram, let's share them, let's talk about them, and let's have fun. Challenge back on. Cool, let's do outfit number one. Already I did outfit number one. Bishop's outfit, nearly this oversized shirt. I'm going to one throughout video because I cannot change the about just ideas, the boots. Maria, so I want so get the oversized shirt nyana and then garga jean a tidy. Then hotomo tonya babushihu. Obviously go throw over jean jacket white out. Not hosna jean jacket. Yo, Jana. I'm going to get a entire for Nike for Kikao, Boketa, and Kitapari oversized shirts and all. So I want to know this oversized kojoroi hembe kojo kapara jine black o bona ka skipa sa white bona simple and kisha bukitsa autumn tsare bona tse kitsa autumn re sa kena re sa prepare for winter. Mara hanchi if when you go layer up mostly you could wear it a leather jacket, a black. It's gonna look pretty cool because then like while leather jacket change of outfit to one if you go we jersey is a classic for na like like winter is that keep it for years and then hey you just not a jacket one layer up or one and give us Pitori every day Joe. So if you go to nya wa paron top nyana or if you go style nyana go stylish no go tsama bona ole cool nyana o bona wa itshwara so and outfit ke yona go Yo. Here's outfit number 3. So, na couple of the Nengalabota, Ntikle Hokalanka, summer, spring. There's nothing I value more than shirts. Like skippers is simple or sapara, you just go out. But anyways, you ain't hello, you told me no. Let's go sapara, one or jacket nyan or coat or skipper or genie or coat. Water, our batana joe. Maybe look at an ikaba desk with kanka boot. Maybe ka boot nyanebiana, one a boot nyanebiana or the club one since shopping actually. I need to see what kind of new styles are out there now, and COVID-19 but if you know of any online store where you're buying shoes like for winter, please let me know, hit me up, I also want to know. But anyways, this is the look. I want you to see it a little bit of close up. So I'm wearing my favorite Selena t-shirt, and if you want to follow on Instagram or check out Instagram, if you've been watching my previous YouTube videos, you'll see that I actually like the color white. I wear white a lot because white makes me feel pure and very innocent, and it reminds me of when I was young. And white is the bomb.com. Okay, sharp kilo change. Like I will get better coat anyway. Grab the look. The coat, karka sweater and then still the same jeans, the white. The nice thing about this look is that you can always mix it up. You can wear it with like probably a blue jean. It will look nice. And the shoes, you can wear it a formal shoe, or you can wear it with a sneaker. I think this would really look cool with a sneaker, just not this one specifically, not a flat one. I think in a platform like this sneaker would work with the outfit, definitely. I'm looking to get a sneaker some more. I got a sneaker, got a boot, I got a sharp. So yeah, it's another look, it's another way you can style it. And this coat, the material on it fits so perfectly. It's so smooth. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but yo guys, it got done for me by a local guy who owns a brand called JB Stitched. So he did it for me and it's so dope, even the detail and everything. The previous coat that I got, actually I thrifted it. I bought it from a thrift store. It was very reasonable, very cheap actually. I got it maybe for like 500-600. Nah, for a coat like that, coats that I go for like 3K, go Chenery, your Woolworths, your all those stores that sell men's classic clothing. You feel that it looks three, got the jeans different. Kirle a blue, got a black a jeanie, no kirle a white, and then got somebody style nyana. Kalefa di look to one yana, kalefa different yana, kalabutso like a chaku, kanya got the young, the styling session you to shiche, Lina Hobela like a spitori, to see. I mean, yo, yeah, it was challenging. I don't wanna lie. I know how to keep properly most of the time I spoke in English, but the aim was not to sweat, and I did not sweat. Don't forget to watch my previous video. Don't forget to watch all my other videos, and please let me know what you think of this style video. Me speaking Spitori, me mixing the different jeans, and also a disclaimer or just a thing about me my giveaways. I cannot do a lot of giveaways. I'll probably do 4, maximum 5, because yeah, I'm just gonna do packages for people that have been asking. Comment, you know, what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. Please give it a big thumbs up to this video if we like it, and then comment, subscribe guys. It's for free. I can charge you silo, and this is your family. Feel free to leave any comment. I am a person who loves criticism. Criticism is not always nice. It's not always easy to digest, but it's necessary to grow, you know. So now criticize me all you want. Just not about just to be petty. I don't miss pettiness. No, I don't take lightly to pettiness. Critical perspectives and reasoning, 100%. See it, love it. See you next time.